How to generate reports in Freshdesk. In this video, I'll show you how to generate reports in Freshdesk. So to get started, go ahead and open Freshdesk. So generating reports in Freshdesk is easy and flexible, whether you're using built-in analytics or exporting data from custom insights. Head over into the Analytics tab. And then once you're on the Analytics tab, go ahead and click on this New Report button at the top right of your screen. So that will allow you to create a new report that you can actually access. So in here, as you can see, at the right side of your screen, you'll be able to find your widget library. So you can add metrics like tickets, timesheets, surveys, articles. You can also search for specific widgets or use templates from the gallery. So to be able to add widgets, you need to go ahead and drag that widget from the right side to the left side of your screen where you can actually find your report section. So you need to name your report using the editable field at the top left corner of your screen, and then customize your report using filters and dimensions. Now go ahead and drag all of the tables that you want to add into your report, and then once you're satisfied on how it looks like, you can simply click on the save button at the top right of your screen to save this, and this is how it will look like. So that is how you can basically generate reports in Freshdesk. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.